Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off, restart, force restart, and remap the power button on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Once you do this, you'll notice a power button icon at the top of the menu. This is a quick access shortcut that Google has built into the Pixel interface, making it easy to control your device without using the physical buttons. Go ahead and tap on this power button icon. When you do, you'll see several options appear on your screen. Here you can turn off your device completely, restart it to refresh the system, or force restart it if your phone is frozen or unresponsive. These options give you full control over how you manage your device's power state without needing to fumble with the physical buttons on the side. Now, let's move on to remapping your power button for even easier access. Open your device settings by tapping the gear icon. This will take you to the main settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your Pixel 8 Pro. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on System. This section contains all the core system settings that control how your device operates. From here, tap on Gestures. This menu lets you customize various gesture controls and button functions on your Pixel, giving you more flexibility in how you interact with your phone. Inside the Gestures menu, look for the option labeled Press and Hold Power Button and tap on it. This setting determines what happens when you press and hold the physical power button on the side of your device. By default, it might be set to activate Google Assistant, but you can change this to open the power menu instead. Now tap on the radio button next to power menu. This is an important change because it alters how your power button functions. With this setting enabled, instead of needing to press the power button and volume down button together to access power options, you can now simply hold the power button by itself. Once you've made this change, pressing and holding the physical power button will instantly open the power options menu. From there, you'll see options like lockdown, power off, and restart, all accessible with just one button press. This makes it much more convenient to quickly power down or restart your device whenever you need to. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to control your Pixel 8 Pro's power functions and customize your power button behavior. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.